Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to this online tutorial. If your site is showing this particular issue that your connection to this site is not secure, that means your site is not secure. What you need to do is to install your XSL. Yeah. So you have to go and install your XSL on your cPanel. So what you need to do, go to your cPanel. I've already opened the cPanel. Go to your cPanel. Click on SSL/TLS status. So when you click on SSL/TLS status, it's going to look like this. So you search for the name of your site, which is hosted on this cPanel. So you have to click on it. You have to, when you search, it's going to appear like this. So you click on view certificate. Yeah, view certificate. So you have to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and scroll down. Automatically, you say auto fill by certificate. So that's what you have to click. Make sure that the domain name is showing here. So after that, just click on install certificate. So because I've already installed this one, so what I have to do right now is to do what? To reload it. To reload it. To reload it. So I reload it now. Now the site is secure. You can see connection is secure. Thank you.